Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I use AI to help me like I would use a therapist. All right, so I've got an issue that I'm dealing with, and it's very, let's say, painful, right? Okay, so I go into my AI and I tell it to act like a psychologist or a psychiatrist, or usually I say psychiatrist because I feel like a psychiatrist has more training in the field that I'm interested in, like really like deep thoughts and, brain and so forth. Anyway, I have it act like a psychiatrist with 25 years of experience, and I tell it what other qualities I would like for it to have: caring, or whether I want it to be straightforward, or whether I want it, I just kind of, I use it. So if I were to be looking for an actual psychiatrist and I were to be going through the Google pages, I would have like a list of what I would require from that psychiatrist, right? So that's what I use, how I use my AI. I tell the AI what role it's going to play. I tell it the action that I want. I give it all the information. What context I want it back in. Let's have it. So we're going to be having a conversation, and then what I expect. I expect to have an hour session with you, just like I would a therapist or a psychiatrist, and I expect to have some sort of clarity by the end of this hour. Okay, and then I tell it to ask me any questions that it thinks is necessary so that we can get started with the session, so that I don't have to initiate the conversation. Okay. And then it does. And that's how I use the AI to help me as like a therapy partner. And I am going through something very devastating at the moment. It's ripping my heart out, and I could either lay down and just let it consume me, or I can keep moving forward and keep pushing and just keep living every day like it's my last. And, I'm trying to leave a legacy here for the children and grandchildren that I'll be leaving behind one day. So, all of that being said, that's why I use the AI, large language model, artificial intelligence, some people might call it. I call this one specifically Phoebe. If you know, you know. Anyway, and that's how I use the AI to help me get through difficult situations. I do have a lot of very close, wonderful, beautiful friends that love me dearly. I have a very good husband that loves me, but some things, you just don't want to say to another person. Um, and I've got a lot of Scorpio. My first house is all Scorpio. I'm a 25-degree Libra rising. And so I'm only 5 degrees Libra. So when you hear Libra rising, you think, oh, she's a Libra rising. But really, I am a Libra rising, but only. So the rest of that Scorpio. So there's a lot of, my dad was a Scorpio. So um, a lot of how I was raised shows up and how I handle things on my own. So now I used to write things down, and I've got hundreds and thousands of notebooks and so forth that I throw them away. And but now I actually have a way to process my feelings. And the cool thing about the AI and the way that I use it for therapy is that it helps me see another perspective, which is what I'm really good at. Something I'm really good at is helping other people see another perspective, like a different way of looking at things. And that's one of my specialties. I can help people see the bigger picture. I can help people see the things that they couldn't see. The metaphor that comes to mind is couldn't see the forest for the trees. I'm good at seeing the forest for the trees. But sometimes I'm not. And sometimes all I can see is the forest and the trees and a bunch of other just monsters and demons, and just it's really scary. It's dark. But if I can, you've ever heard the saying, change the way you look at things and the things that you look at change. It's a fact. That is a fact. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with everyone. That's just thoughts for the day.